Hi, guys. I'm so excited because today you guys get to meet somebody who's very special to me. And he's right here. You guys see him on the screen? This is
Hi,
my brother.
hi guys.
Tell them what your name is. I'm sure all of the friends want to know.
My name is Perry, and yeah, I'm Katie's older brother. Um, yeah, I live far away from Katie though. Katie, where are you right now?
Right now, I'm in New York. Yeah. Where are
And I'm
you?
all the way in California.
Whoa, California. That's so
Yes,
far away. That's like a really, really long plane ride away.
and an even longer drive.
Oh, wow. Yeah, definitely. So, Perry, what's one of your favorite things to do that I know you're really excited to do with our friends today?
I love cooking a lot, and today we're going to be baking some cookies.
You are?
Yeah,
Oh my goodness. Well, I'm excited to bake with you today, and I hope all the friends are excited too. All right, guys, are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready, Katie?
I'm ready.
Let's
And are
do it.
you all ready?
Yeah!
Yay, go have fun baking cookies with my brother.
Thank you, Katie. Well, everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My kitchen is very far away. It's all the way out in Los Angeles, which is in California. Can you guys say California? I think you can. California. Well, guys, you ready to bake? Let's get to it. Real quick, we're going to go over all the ingredients you need. Some all-purpose flour, brown sugar, white sugar, some salt, 1 egg, melted butter, a little bit of baking soda, some vanilla extract, any kind will work, and any type of candy you like. We could do chocolate chips, you can do these. I like to take some candy and crush it up and then put it inside. The next step is to mix the melted butter with both types of sugar and a little bit of salt. Then we're going to whisk. This takes a little while. So what first looked like this, after whisking for about 2 minutes, it should look like this. Then you're going to take an egg mixed with a very little amount of vanilla extract, and you're going to add that to the mixture. And whisk a little bit to combine everything. For the next step, we're going to need one of these strainers. Place it over. We're going to add the baking soda into the flour. Put it all in here. And this is fun. You get to tap the side and it'll all fall out of the bottom. This keeps all the big clumps out of it, so it's easier to mix. Now we need a spatula. Not this kind of spatula. We need a spatula for baking, which looks a little more like this. And we're just going to mix it very lightly. You don't want to mix it too much. You want to mix it until you can't see any more flour. For this step, we're going to put the dough to the side and we're going to add the candy. So the candy needs to be crushed up so that it's in little pieces when it goes in. For something like a Hershey bar, you can break it up with your hand. For something like M&Ms, I like to take them, put them in a Ziploc. Make sure you get most of the air out. And then take your rolling pin and crush it. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can hit it on the table, you can make it work. But you want it in little pieces so that you get a nice little bit in every bite. Once you have all the broken up candy, just take it out, sprinkle it in, and then give it a quick mix. The next step, cover the bowl, and now I'm gonna put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. While the cookies are cooling off in the fridge, it's a good time to have a chat with your family, maybe read a book, watch a show, watch something on YouTube, do whatever you want. While the food is cooling in the fridge, you can get all the dishes done. After 30 minutes, it's time to take the cookies out of the fridge. We're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now we're going to roll out the cookies.
When you roll the cookies, you want to be sure to make them nice, even balls. Also, be sure to separate them enough so that when they cook, they don't touch each other. Then I like to put little bits of chocolate and some of the leftover crushed up M&Ms on top. Then it's time to put it in the oven.
Once the cookies go in the oven, set a timer for 12 minutes. Once the timer goes off, take the cookies out of the oven. And now we're going to let them cool. It's very important to wash your hands before eating your cookies. While the cookies cool down, we're going to pour a glass of milk and get ready to enjoy our cookies. Once the cookies have cooled, it's time to enjoy. Thank you guys so much for baking along with me. These cookies are so good, so go make some of your own. I'm gonna go enjoy my cookies.